Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I want to show you what I got in my Petit Vour box for September. Before I do that, I want to tell you what I thought of the products that came in my August box. Here's my August box. So let's get started. The first thing in here is from Harvest Natural Beauty. This is their lengthening organic mascara. This sells for $18. This one really surprised me. I expected it to be a natural looking mascara, so not a lot of drama, and it was, but it did give me some length and volume. So I was hopeful that I could use this one for work. I don't like to wear my dramatic mascaras to work, so I always have something a little more natural for work days. But not long after I put this one on, it flaked a lot. So this one, unfortunately, is a fail for me. The next thing in the August box was this from Akar. This is a Akar Balance Toning Mist. This little bottle sells for $15, and a full size of this is $55 for 70 mLs. I did like this. I think this smells fantastic. I do think the mist is a little strong. A little strong for a mist. What I did was I would just spray it in my hand and pat it on my face, and I did enjoy it that way, as more of a toner than a mist. This does have some interesting ingredients. I want to tell you about those. It has saffron stem cells for rejuvenation. It has rose flower for antioxidant. It has neroli flower for anti-inflammatory, and it has white willow bark for BHA exfoliation, which I love BHAs, so I was happy about that. I do think this is pretty pricey for what it is, but I know that Akar products are pretty expensive. I'll definitely use this up, but I don't plan on purchasing this, not for $55 when I have some toners that I love that are a lot less expensive. This does smell fantastic though, and has some nice ingredients, so I'm going to enjoy using it up. Next thing in here is from Air NYC, and this is their Tough Love, this cuticle balm. This sells for $12, and this was my favorite thing in the box. I love this. You can see the dent in it. I've been using this a lot. It feels so good on my cuticles. I've been wearing my nails natural. A lot of it has to do with work, where my hands get a lot of abuse, but it's partly just because I've gotten my nails healthy and I really don't want to do anything to make them unhealthy. This is going to go a long way toward keeping my nails healthy. I've loved using it. It's so nourishing. It feels so good. Let me tell you what it says about it. It says, this cuticle balm contains hydrating neem oil and works to improve elasticity for rough skin, feet, elbows, and cuticles that need some extra love. I've only used this on my fingernails and my toenails. I haven't used it on my elbows or knees or anything like that, but I love it as a cuticle balm. I think it's fantastic. I think it's well worth the $12. I probably will repurchase this when I run out of it. The next thing in here is from Kahini Giving Beauty. This is their oil cleanser, and this little bottle sells for $10. The full size sells for $59 for 100 mLs, which is 3.3 ounces. I think that's pretty pricey for an oil cleanser, but it is pretty good. I don't like it as well as some of my other cleansers, so I'm not going to repurchase this, but I do like it and I'm going to finish using it. It says dissolves sunscreen and makeup with the blue tansy infused oil cleanser that leaves skin clean, soft, and without residue. It does leave my skin clean, soft, and without residue. I do like the ingredients, but again, I have other cleansers that I love that don't cost as much as this one. And then the last thing in here for me was another fail. This is from Andalum Naturals. This is the Kukui Cocoa Nourishing Body Butter. This felt wonderful on my skin. It felt very nourishing. It sank in beautifully. and it smells bad. This smells like mildew to me. I asked my husband, because I do have a sensitive nose, what he thought, because I thought maybe it was just me, but he agreed that it smells funny. I read some reviews on this, and no one mentioned this having a bad scent. As a matter of fact, if there was any mention of the scent, they said it had a good scent. So I'm wondering if I got one that has gone bad. I don't know. Did you get this in a box if you get Petit Vour? And if you did it smell bad? Maybe I just got a bad batch or a bad tube. I don't know, but this smells bad. I'm not going to be able to finish this. I'm going to have to throw this away. I don't want to pass this on to anyone else, and I'm definitely not going to use it up. So this one was a fail for me. And that was it for my August box. I do think I got great value though. I love this for $12. I'm going to finish using the face oil for $10, so that's $22. And then the balancing toning mist, that's worth $15, so $22, $27, $37. That's a great value for an $18 box that had 2 fails for me. Still feel like I got a lot of use and value out of the money I spent for that subscription box. Now, let's see what's in my September box. I've cut away the tape like I always do, but I have not opened this at all, and I have not seen any unboxings of the September box. So this is going to be a true first impressions video. Here's the card. Cute pink leopard print or cheetah print, something like that, but it's a cute animal print. I'm going to pull some of this little paper filler out of here because I can't see the products, and I want to kind of go in order on this one. This is from K Voss. It says this is the Shine On Stick, and this sells for $28. This says it's a creamy highlighter stick made with wild flax and cacio butter. Creates a blendable and buildable glow that adds dimension and glides on easily. I've gotten 2 other K Voss highlighter products in Petit Vour boxes. The first one was a liquid highlighter, and the second one was a powder highlighter, and I love both of them. So I'll have to see what I think of this one. Oh, it's like a stick, and it's definitely gold. Wow, that's interesting. I love the color. I don't know how it's going to work as a highlighter. It does seem to blend out a bit. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll use it as an eyeshadow highlight. Maybe I'll use it as a highlighter. You'll hear next month. So, wow, we're off to a great start. That's pretty. Next on the card here is the Goldfaden MD Needleless Smoothing Face Serum. Let's see where that is in here. Oh, I got something in a similar tube to this from Goldfaden MD before, and it wouldn't come out of the pump. So I'm a little leery about this. Let's see how this works. Okay, this has product in it. Good. I was worried. Oh, okay, that feels nourishing on the skin. See what it says about it. A line smoothing, skin plumping, non-invasive serum that reduces the appearance and prevents fine line depth to create a smooth, flawless finish. This has a value of $14 for 5 mLs. Sank in nicely on my skin. I'll give that one a try. I'm glad that there's some product in there. I'm glad that they figured out what was wrong with this type of sample bottle. This next one is also from Goldfaden MD. This is the Detox Hydrating Gel. This has a value of $10. It says, an oil-free skin balancing moisturizer created with beta hydroxy acid, which I love BHAs, to detox congested skin to leave you with a vibrant, youthful complexion. Okay, let's see how this one feels on the skin. Oh, it's a gel. I like that. I love gel moisturizers. They always work well on my oily skin. This sounds like a product that would work for oily skin too because it has the BHAs. Decided to try that. Let's see what's next on the card. This is from Hanua Hawaiian Skincare. This is the Pake Cleansing Cream. I got a sunscreen from them in another box not long ago that I loved, so I am really excited to try this. I am impressed by this brand. This sells for $12 for 7 ounces. It says Hawaiian salt, hibiscus, and seaweed cleanse, repair, and renew for soft, hydrated skin. Yay! I'm really excited to try this. There are some beautiful skincare products in this box this time. One more product. Let's see what this is. This is from the Seaweed Bath Company. That's another brand that I've really wanted to try something from for a while now, and I have not had a chance yet. This is the Firming Detox Body Cream. This has a value of $4. It says iodine-rich and sustainably harvested bladderwrack seaweed forms the base of this detoxifying cream that is rich with skin-plumping coffee and green tea extracts. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with just the description of this one. Let's see, it probably has a foil safety seal, and it does. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, this smells so refreshing and fresh. Okay, I'm excited about this box. I love this already. I'm really excited to try another product from Hanua. These both look like wonderful skincare products from Goldfaden MD. And this looks beautiful. I'm going to find a way to use this highlighter from K-Voss. This is a great box, y'all. I'm excited. I have to tell you, I was a little disappointed after I had 2 fails in last month's box, even though there were 3 products I did love. One especially, that cuticle balm. But after that box, I was a little disappointed. I am so excited about this box. This is maybe one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten from Petit Vour so far. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below. Ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.